Good day, guys. Welcome back to another episode. So I know it is another one with the charger. If you've been following along, thank you very much. Hopefully you've been enjoying the series. But we are going to be moving on to the next step of something you should do. It's going to be a shorter video. It's going to be an easier product. It's going to be something that is necessary to do to get the paint prepped for adding some sort of paint protection. So in today's video, we are going to be taking a look at CarPro Eraser. So this is an intensive oil and polish cleaner. Directions are very, very simple and easy. It's a water-based formula, anti-static effect, silicone-free, body shop safe, great for glass cleaning. I find that kind of interesting and cool. So if you want to see a video with the CarPro Eraser and how well it does cleaning glass, definitely drop that down in the comments below. I do want to check that out and try that out. The directions: shake well, spray over surface, wipe off with a microfiber. Precautions: test product on an inconspicuous area before applying. Recommended eyes and skin protection: work in a safe ventilated area, keep in a dry, cool place, keep out of reach of children. So very simple to easy use. It's basically just like an IPA to prep the surface to remove any oils left over from any of your polishing compounds that may be left on the surface, to have a clean slate of your paint to work on and getting it prepped and ready to apply some sort of paint protection on it. So we did do the full paint correction on the charger. It looks absolutely amazing. I love the way that it has turned out. So now we are going to make sure we have a completely clean surface so I can put a paint protection on it. Also, before we get into the review of this product, remember to subscribe to the channel, click the bell, turn on all post notifications to stay up to date with any of my future uploads. You're not going to want to miss what kind of paint protection we're going to be using on the charger and how it's going to look. It's my first time using it and I'm very, very excited for it. Also, remember, if you like this video, to smash that thumbs up button and drop a comment down below. And the support like that on the channel is greatly, greatly appreciated. It's absolutely amazing. And the best part is it's free to subscribe and free to smash that thumbs up. Let me get set up. Let's use this CarPro Eraser on the surface, see how it does, how quickly it flashes. The microfiber I'll be using is just a nice waffle weave microfiber to go over the whole surface. It's going to be very easy, very effective. I'm sure this stuff's going to work really good, but I want to see and bring you guys along for that review. So as I mentioned, you want to make sure that you shake the product up and it's kind of spraying out. So very easy to use. I'm going to just take my towel and fold it into quarters so I have multiple clean surfaces. And then you're just going to spray this on. You don't have to go super heavy, and basically just clean the surface to remove any of the oils from the polish that you used. Flip it over. Very easy product to use. Flashes extremely fast, as it should, and is definitely cleaning the surface. I can actually kind of feel it cleaning the surface a little bit. So very, very easy to use, not hard at all. We're going to go ahead and do the fender. Very simple step, but a very important step to basically, as I've mentioned, cleaning that surface so you do not have the oils on there. I know I keep saying it, but that's what this product is and what it is designed for and to do. It does have a very strong odor to it. It's not a bad scent, but you are definitely going to want to use it in a ventilated area, as they have mentioned. So we're just clean off the hood, and then I'll get the rest of the car cleaned up, and I'll come back in and give my final thoughts on it, of how it's working, or how I liked it. But it's a very straightforward product, nothing hard to use, nothing that you're going to have a lot of information on or for to use. But there's definitely nothing wrong with that. I just wanted to bring you guys along for each and every step that I'm doing on the charger to get this amazing, great looking finish that we are going for. So the hood is completely done. Very quick, simple, easy, flashes quick. It hasn't left any streaks or any kind of residue left over, as it shouldn't. Very pleased with it. So now at this point, I'm going to go ahead and just finish out the rest of the car. Okay, so for my final thoughts of the CarPro Eraser, this product is really good. You can see I didn't even use that much to the top of the label there. Very, very good product. And as I was mentioning, I'm not trying to repeat myself, but you can definitely feel the paint kind of get a little tugged to the microfiber. It's nothing hard, nothing that's going to damage or ruin it, but you can tell that it is definitely cleaning the paint, that's cleaning the surface extremely well. It's getting any kind of oils left over from the polishes out, and it just does a really, really good job. One thing I will note, definitely wear gloves when using it. Definitely have the garage door open, have some kind of ventilation. It is very strong smelling. It's not a bad smell, but it is very strong. You don't want to be breathing in all those fumes from it. It is a really good product. I like it a lot. Didn't have to use a lot, and it did a great job. So for me, this is the first time. I know it's horrible to say. You guys are going to criticize me. Feel free to go down in the comments and criticize me. But this is the first time I've used any kind of an eraser or an IPA to do a full wipe down after a paint correction. I've definitely been learning a lot. Making content for you guys, your guys' comments, commenting back to me has definitely taught me, and I've learned a lot. So this is the first time using it. Yes, personally, it is a must to get that stuff off, unless you're just gonna hit it with a Carnauba wax real quick or something, but I am wanting to take my time and do a great job with this, and I have something very special in store for paint protection on this. You're not gonna wanna miss that video. I am super excited to use it, try it out, and see the results that I get with it. So I just wanna make sure that my surface is to my absolute liking, which it is. I am in love with the finish. This is the best gloss and finish that I've got out of the car doing a paint correction to date. So I'm very, very excited, very happy with it. But the CarPro Eraser, for me, was definitely a must. So some kind of an IPA, it doesn't have to be CarPro Eraser. It was just something that I picked up. I've really been liking the CarPro lineup. This is my first time using some of their products. As you have seen a few of their products, this is another one on the channel. So trying to broaden my horizons with my products that I'm using and seeing what is all out there and what I like. So far we've done a great job on this, and I'm super excited to move to the next step now that we have the paint fully exfoliated, which is an important step for the next video. But I want to thank you all so much for stopping and checking out the video. Like always, remember to subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, turn on all post notifications so you don't miss a future upload. Smash that thumbs up if you like the video, and I will catch you all in the next one. And until then, take care.